Imagine having a supercomputer in your pocket, an assistant that can write your thesis, debug your code, plan your entire startup, and even create stunning graphics all in seconds. Now, imagine getting that assistant, which usually costs nearly $300 a year, completely for free. Welcome back to I Explain Daily. Today, we are dropping a bomb. If you are watching this before December the 9th, 2025, you might be sitting on a winning lottery ticket and not even know it. We're talking about the Gemini AI Pro 1-year free trial. Most people think AI is expensive, but Google is quietly running a massive promotion that is ending next month, and almost nobody is talking about the specific loophole that gets you a full year of access. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you might just save yourself hundreds of dollars and unlock the most powerful AI on the planet. Before we get to the how to get the free AI tools, we need to talk about the why you need it. Is the Pro version actually worth the hype, or is the free version enough? Let's break down the brutal truth. First, let's look at the free version. It's powered by Gemini Flash. It's fast, it's lightweight, and it's okay. It's great for quick emails or basic questions, but it has limits. It can hallucinate facts, it struggles with complex coding problems, and it has a memory that's a bit short-term. Now, look at Gemini Advanced, the Pro version. This is powered by Google's most capable models, like Gemini 2.5 Pro. Here is the difference. The Pro model doesn't just guess, it reasons. If you give it a complex math problem, or a tangled piece of code, it breaks it down step by step. It's like upgrading from a high school intern to a PhD researcher. Then there is the context window. This is huge. The Pro version has a massive context window. You can upload a 500-page PDF, or a massive video file, and it can read, or watch, the whole thing, and answer questions about it. The free version, it chokes on that kind of data. Also, for my developers out there, Pro allows you to run and edit Python code directly in the chat. It's not just a text generator, it's a coding environment. Normally, this power costs $20 a month. That's $240 a year. But right now, for a specific group of people, that price tag is $0. Okay, pay attention. This is the most important part of the video. Google has launched a special campaign specifically for students, but the clock is ticking. This offer is set to expire on December the 9th, 2025. If you are a student, or honestly, if you have access to a student email or ID, you can claim 12 full months of Gemini Advanced completely for free. Here is exactly how it works and why you need to act now. First, eligibility. You need to be over 18 and enrolled in an eligible higher education institution. This isn't just for US students. We are seeing reports of this working in the UK, India, Nigeria, and many other regions. It's a global push. Second, the verification. Google uses a service called Share It. You don't necessarily need to do email, though it helps. You just need to be able to prove enrollment. Often, simply logging into your school portal, or uploading a schedule is enough to trigger the verification. Third, what do you get? You aren't just getting the AI, you are getting the 2 TB Google One AI Premium plan. That means 2 TB of cloud storage for your photos and files, plus the advanced AI features in Google Docs and Slides. This is the premium of the premium. But remember the date, December the 9th. That is next month. If you are watching this in November, do not wait. These promotions often get pulled early if too many people sign up. Here is your step-by-step guide to claiming this before it's gone. Step 1. Go to the official site gemini.google.com. Students, I've linked it in the pinned comment below. Step 2. You'll see a button to verify your student status. Click that. Step 3. Enter your school name and your details. If your school is on the list, you are golden. The verification is usually instant. Step 4. Warning, you will need to add a payment method. This is standard. They won't charge you today, but they will set up a renewal for a year from now. Pro tip. As soon as you get the confirmation, set a calendar reminder for 360 days from now to cancel if you don't want to pay later. You keep the free year even if you cancel the renewal. Even if you aren't a student, tell your friends, tell your siblings, tell your cousins. Do not let this value disappear. $240 is a lot of money to leave on the table. If this video saved you money, or helped you understand the power of Gemini Pro, do me a massive favor. Smash that like button. It really helps the algorithm show this to more students before the deadline expires. And if you want to stay ahead of the AI curve, knowing about the latest tools, the best prompts, and the biggest discounts before anyone else, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell for I Explain Daily. We post every single day to make sure you don't get left behind. Go check your eligibility right now. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.